Hello everybody. Today we're going to see how I draw Rock Breaker. Okay, I'm going to start off with a quick sketch just to work lightly for myself, so don't worry if you can't see this. This is mostly for me. And also I'm going to be using a straight edge too, so if you want to get a ruler or get ready for that, you're welcome to. And I just like to do that just for the sticks that are straight edged, you know, like the natural ones like the wood and stuff like that. I'm not never too worried about those, but the ones that have a straight edge on them, I like to make them look straight, you know, kind of honor the design. That's how I look at it. Okay, so Rock Breaker, huh? This is kind of a crazy one. Some of this stuff I can't even tell what it is, but I'm just going to draw it anyway, right? Let's see. So this is going to be a little tricky here. So I'm going to have to, let's see if I can do this right. Do it like this, and do like that. And this will make sense in my sketch. I just have to try to remember what I did to get here. You know what I mean? That'll work. That'll work. Let's see, because it's a different angles. Like this one is almost sideways, so you're almost seeing like the side view of it. Okay, I think that'll make sense. And then this one seems like it should be a little fatter, but no, I think that works. We'll do it like that. And then this one I'm just gonna do like that, because it's just the angle that you're looking at it at, you know? Okay, alright, I think I'm ready to switch over and see if we can pull this off. Alright, so I'm just going to go straight with the big fat Sharpie and just work at it. Let's go ahead and do this. Let's finish up let's do the handle, and the handle's a little bit fatter here than it is there, so what I'm going to attempt to do, we're going to see if this works. I'm going to draw, let's see, this edge first, like that. I'm going to come in just a hair and draw this edge, stop there. So see what I'm doing? I'm kind of I'm allowing for a different level of edge right there. All right, see, that'll work. And then I'm just gonna close it off like that. So see what I did? I just kind of eyeballed going down different steps. So you're welcome to try it. If not, don't worry about it. Do what you want to do, you know? So let's see, I'm going to draw the little handle thing hanging off there, like that, pretty simple. We're going to draw the bottom part like this, and it's attached like that. Okay, so I think we're done with that part. Let's just go ahead and work on the rest of this. So again, I can't tell what some of this stuff is, but I'm just going to draw it, you know, what looks like connecting, that's what I'm going to do. So this looks like it's got kind of a like that, kind of a ribbed looking texture to it, like that. So I'm just gonna connect it all, and I think since I'm doing that, let's do this. Just like that. Booyah! I like that. Let's stick with that. Okay, so now I'm gonna follow this in like this, out like that, and it's got like this metal what's the word I'm looking for? Like machinery. It's got some kind of a machinery look to it, you know, because I mean, I guess it is, you know, Cole's, what do you call it? Digging like equipment type kind of thing, you know. So I just gotta kind of honor that, you know. So okay, so it's got a whole like little section in here like this built in. I'm just gonna draw it like that. It's 3D looking, but I can't really, you know, make it look 3D without sketching. So I'm just gonna kind of do something like this. And you know, hey, there you go. That's as 3D as I can get with that design. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of honor what I can do with different levels of machinery, you know. And I'm gonna bring the other edge over here like this, go straight across, bring it down, and you know, these are actually like cylinders, but that's okay. We are where we are. Let's just keep going. Okay, so now I'm going to draw this end over here, go across, come down like that. That's that big orange part. So now here's the big trick. Here's the tough part. So we're going to come out like this, come in like that, and I kind of, let's see, I don't really want to draw like this indented part. Maybe I should do that with the Sharpie. With the sharp to tinier Sharpie. You know, something like that. Yeah, that looks great. Let's do that over here too. So this one's gonna have it like that. And it's gonna have this edge. Well, let's use this. Let's not go too crazy here. Like that. They're going to come across and boom up here like this. Boom goes the dynamite. Or boom goes the driller, you know? Like that. Looks good. Okay, so now here's the trick. Here's what I'm going to do. Since I got my sketch, watch this. I'm going to kind of follow my sketch, but I'm going to just do the outer edge and come back with the finer detail. Watch this. So I'm going to follow my sketch, point like that, follow it. And again, this is why I'm sketching, so I can do stuff like this. Right? So I'm going to come back with this Sharpie and do this. See how it's got a certain look to it? It looks pretty cool, right? I like it. Booyah! That looks awesome. So same thing, I'm just going to follow my sketch here. Let's see what I did. And I just have to trust the sketch. Okay. Looks like ice cream, huh? Okay, so this one's going to come down. Let's see how I can do it. Oh, see, I gotta trust the sketch. Trust the sketch. It's gonna go in like that. This is gonna go in like that. It's gonna come down, go in like that. This is gonna go in like that, and like that. Booyah! That looks pretty good. Okay, and so for this one, you know, not going too crazy, just gonna kind of do like that because it's back behind that one, so I don't want to go too crazy with it anyway. You know, just kind of give it those same lines. Look at that. Okay, so I think that's good. I don't want to go nuts and do all kinds of crazy stuff. I'm just thickening up some of these other lines to make it look cohesive. So I think I'll take care of the rest with coloring. So that is Rock Breaker. So here is my colored version. You could do it however you like. I just thought I'd show you how I decided to color it. If you'd like to color it like this, you can always pause the video here and use the coloring techniques that I used, or you can just make it your own. Remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures of how I draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button to be updated about each new video.